Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Hawke Prohibition. Today we are going to discuss filtration. I've got my drink with me. We are hooked up, ready to go, so let's get into it. Okay, everybody, the first thing is first. What I'm doing right here is I've got some reverse and/or distilled water, and I'm hydrating the plates in it. You can get a bit of a paper carryover if you don't do this properly, and it just it's the beginning to you charging that system. We're going through a 3-plate filtration today, and we'll figure out how we're going to loop it depending on how the spirits taste after this. I'm not trying to filter out, like, this isn't a charcoal filter. This is like a 0.5 micron filter. It is just a spirit, so I don't want to get rid of everything in there. You're just trying to get rid of some of the long grain congeners and esters that will give you a negative flavor on that spirit. So literally, this is a fairly passive-ish filtration, but this is where it starts. So let's move on to the next one. This part is we've got our jug at 60%. Why 60%, you might ask? And I've done a lot of experiments with whiskey, and this is an all grain. I won't get into the mash itself, but it's an all grain whiskey. And I've filtered at 40% and higher and kind of all over the map, to be honest. And the greatest successes I have is at 60%. What you're doing there is you're not filtering out all the oils. Like, you want to retain some of those oils. So that's the demons of chill filtering. You chunk up all those oils, remove everything. I don't want to do that. I want those oils. That's what a good whiskey is. So again, it's through a very basic 3 filter system, non-charcoal, and we're going to see the difference. I've got a couple glasses set out here, and after we run it through, I've got one unfiltered and then one filtered. We'll do a taste test, and this is just going to be a single pass. We'll see what happens. So I'm going to fire this up, and we'll come back to you as soon as we run through it. So we've come to the end of where we were filtering and the whole bit, and like everything with all best intentions, it went kind of to shit. We had liquid all over. This thing isn't built very well, and it was like spewing everywhere. So trying to control the chaos is literally all we were trying to do. So what we learned really quickly is the plates I was talking about before, the 0.5 micron non-carbon plates, they did nothing. They tasted nothing to change the product. So in anticipation of this possibly happening, I had gotten some charcoal activated plates as well. So we put those in, I looped it once, and the difference, literally the taste tests are crazy. I smell that, and it's okay, but this one, it's making my mouth water a little bit. It's soft, it's supple, it carries notes of what everything was before, but like we talked about, it removes all of the negative attributes to alcohol. That's like the congeners and some of like the negative esters, things like that, and it's night and day. If you smell this one, it's like processing's become a bad word. Processing isn't a bad thing if it takes out some of the yuck. After it becomes just like delightful, for lack of a better word, just delightful. So this is poised, because it's still 60%. This is poised to go into a barrel or rapidly age it, however you're going to do that. But now this is processed to where I think is marketable and delicious and everything you want. And again, remember that number, 65%. Some people will cold filter. The spectrum is massive. But I really like 60%. Carry over some of those bodies, because that lends itself to character. And what it does with the oak after that is poetic. It truly is. So this is going to bring us pretty much to the end of the video. And again, the process can be dirty and stupid, and if you just for the first time using a new piece of equipment, it can go sideways on you in a heartbeat. But that's the world of mashing, fermenting, distillation. Now filtering, there's so many components on it, and enjoy it. The more you do it, every process becomes more simplistic and it keeps going in that way. And so I've filtered lots before, never with this particular one, and this was a disaster. So, so welcome to the world of distillation, and I hope you certainly learned something tonight, because it took me some time to get to what ABV do you filter? How do you filter? This is a great answer. Find a better one, but this is a great answer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like it, we'll have lots more rolling out soon. So peace. We'll talk soon.